today I have very bad news. Look, so I found this. So when we were doing this thing planting onions, I saw this dead bird. Oh, shame on you, bird. Shame on you. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna bury it. I'm gonna put like a stone.
It has rabies.
Yeah, it has rabies. But I'm gonna bury it on the spot. I'm gonna bury it somewhere around here.
Do me a favor.
Oh,
Take these two.
shame on you, bird. Shame on you. Wow. Dude, his eye's gone.
Just one.
Wait a minute. This is fake. Okay, I'm just kidding. It's not fake. It's real. Well, shame on you, bird. Oh, the bird killer. I know it. I know the bird killer. He popped his eyes out. We should bury it. We should bury it.
You're gonna get a nice body, Rainier. You're gonna have a nice body to start working the land. And start carrying stuff.
What?
You're gonna get a nice body from that. It's exercise.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, shame. Dude, bro. Okay, I got an idea. I'm gonna get these grass plants. I'm gonna put on this bird. I want no one to realize it. Oh, Shane, dude. Shane. Shame, dude. Wow. Dude, Mom, Dad, you should see this. I'm trying to care for this bird. Oh, shame. What should I do? I should get medical care.
I don't know what to do there.
How? Oh, shame, dude. I put grass in it.
Just don't touch it.
Yeah.
You better wash your hands. You can't put anything in your mouth.
Oh, shame, dude. Shame.
We're gonna take a break. When we're done taking a break, we're gonna clean up around here.
What should I do?
Take a break. When I'm done, I take a break. I'm gonna go paint a little bit. When I'm done painting, we're gonna pull out all these little green things around here.
Okay.
That's gonna be the next project.
Wow, shame on this guy, dude.
Oh no. Rainier can do it. No, Rainier can do it. He's a boy. It's pathetic. You're a boy. You can't even do that. It's not good. Leave it. No more. Rainier.
Oh gosh, I don't know. I don't want to bury it. I want to. Oh freak! What should I do? I got an idea. I'll put this stone on this one.
Take a break, play a little bit. When I'm done to call you, we're gonna clean up all this. We're gonna pull out all these little weeds.
Ah, shame on you, dude. Shame on this. Wow, I never seen this before. I never seen this. Well, I'll name you Mr. Yeah, I'll name you Mozambique. Ugh, I'll stay there. Well, just let it die.